Hangzhou, Zhejiang, China, a beautiful, open and rich city, has been writing about her legend and mythology. Yante, since the technology is located on this island, the company had standardized management, quantitative modern office environment, complete management software and software facilities, orderly, efficient and price management, which builds a skilled, strong sense of responsibility industrial workplace. We look at the starry sky, down to earth all the time. The 10 years of development has witnessed the firm steps and innovative development of Yante, as well as our constant growth and accumulated strength. Since its establishment, the company has continuously created and developed new products. From the original color tester, we have gradually developed 90% of the supporting instruments for the dedication of paper, packaging, printing, and other industries. Major products of the company are automatic color meter, automatic smoothness tester, box compression tester, breast strength tester, surface softness tester, tensile strength tester, bulk binding strength tester, CNC electric centrifuge, and so on. The time witnessed the craftsmanship spirit of Yante people, while the era pushes Yante people to move on together for a better future. Since 2008, the company has obtained over 20 patents for invention, utility, and software copyright. Yante, with honors including the high-tech enterprise of Hangzhou and the science and technology enterprise of Zhejiang province. Yante adopts ISO 9001 for its quality control and obtains certifications including CE, CMC, and Mandarin qualification. In recent years, we are always working hard as leader in our field, especially in the field of colorimeter, and we have thought to the market with innovative, new, smart, and international colorimeters. Up to now, the company has the only fully automatic 1K measurement and control, remote the network control and testing accuracy to 0.01, most advanced technology. Based at home and looking around the world, the company has cooperated closely with famous domestic research institutes at key leading enterprises, such as the National Library and various inspection and quarantine institutes. Institutions of higher learning, such as Beijing University and Renmin University of China. The company has cooperated closely with Snow, Wang Laoji, Wang Wang, Chanming, Huachai, Heng An, Nine Dragons and other paper industry, and Xinhua Meiyi Printing Company Limited. Overseas market continues to expand. The products are exported to Germany, Mexico, Colombia, Peru, the India, Pakistan, Afghan, Arab, Egypt, the European Union, and other countries and regions of Southeast Asia. Steady growth in sales. We have always followed the mission of employees, customers, and enterprises to grow up together. We are sincere, professional, and responsible. We are pragmatic and innovative. It's taken 10 years to grow trees, but 100 years to rear people. People-oriented is the pose of enterprise development. As the heaven movement is ever vigorous, so must the gentleman ceaselessly strive along. As the earth is tolerant everything, so must the gentleman cultivate his personally to undertake great commitment. Yante people will further abide by morality rules and sharpen the skills to move forward for a better and more glorious tomorrow.